diaspora, all of you in diaspora that you've not been to Eko Dumata, sure you don't want to know the truth if truly they sell gold at Eko Dumata. Why is everybody keeping quiet concerning the case of Eko Dumata? Why is the government official, kept quiet? And why? What happened? APC, APC, APC. Èmi ò ní kẹ́ wá gbéyàn lọ court àbí kí ló ń pè prosecution.
Àwọn tó sọ no jurisdiction jọ kí.
Èmi ò ní kẹ́ lọ fún anybody kẹ́ jurisdict ẹni àwọn tó sọ no jurisdiction òkété ìyẹn ti pààyàn. Ìyẹn ti pààyàn. Èmi ò bá wọn pọ́n. Tó bá ti gbó títọ́ dání tó pa wá kéré. Kò sí problem. Ohun tí mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ ni wípé Ọlọ́run ló lágbára jùlọ, Ọlọ́run ló tóbi jùlọ. Ẹni tó kéré nígbà bí mo ṣe kéré tó yìí, single-handedly mo bojú Gistlover jẹ́. Mo bà yé Esabod jẹ́ single-handedly mo kéré tó yìí. When Esabod was coming, this is how I was begging Esabod. The way I'm begging APC now. I am begging APC now. This is how I was begging Esabod. If you ask Esabod that what is her greatest regret, she will tell you it's not to honor Lizzy Anjorin request. I said, Esabod, I didn't ask for much. Stay away from me, my family, and my loved ones. And she said, kò sí nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó ní wọ́n máa hang sí òun. Òun máa kú, òun máa ṣe, òun máa mọ̀. Àwa tó dẹ̀ rò pin lánàá, àwa rè lénìí. Èmi ò ń ba nǹkan jẹ́. Mi ò ń ba tèèyàn jẹ́. Mo bẹ̀ yín ni ẹ̀yin gbé APC from federal to state. Mo bẹ̀ yín ni. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ibi tèmi ti ń jẹun náà bàjẹ́ yẹn? Kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tí ò níbi tó ti ń jẹun. Tá a bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ń sìn. Tá a bá bẹ̀rẹ̀. Àwọn kankan wà tó jẹ́ pé tá a bá gbé jáde kò ní sweet image APC kò ní dá. Láì dárúkọ anybody. Ìnagijẹ lásán ibẹ̀lẹ̀ ti máa mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan ti wọlé. Dẹ̀ lè borúkọ tèmi jẹ́ under APC kẹ́ni mo jí gold. Torí kì í ṣẹjọ́ Gistlover. Ẹni tó gbé Pọlájẹ́ ò jẹ̀bi. Ẹni tó gbé kalẹ̀ ni. Gistlover ti ní mo jalè. Ẹ̀yin Lagos state government. Ẹni kan strike case kúrò ní court. Ẹ rí pé mi náà dẹ̀ yọwọ́. Mo ní mo withdraw. Yíyú ẹkùn tó jókòó o. There are times you live today and fight tomorrow. Reason tí mi ṣe gbé ẹ rí pé mi sọ látijọ́ yẹn. Reason tí mi ṣe gbé document yẹn síta. Ó yé mi, ó lè má yé yín. Torí tí n bá gbé síta nísìn kò wúlò. Màá tọ́jú ẹ̀díjọ́ tó máa wúlò. Tẹ́ ẹ máa wà lẹ́sẹ̀ kan ayé, ẹsẹ̀ kan ọ̀run. Bí èmi náà ṣe wà lẹ́sẹ̀ kan ayé, ẹsẹ̀ kan ọ̀run. Leko Dumata, tẹ́ ignore me. They saw it, they saw the video. Atani abiyamo wo ni orí video yẹn. Abiyamo wo. Abiyamo wo ni orí video yẹn. I said Lagos State fúnra ara wọn náà kọ lẹ́tà sí court. Lagos State fúnra wọn náà kọ lẹ́tà sí court. Gbọ́ mi. Ṣé mọ̀ pé Gistlover ti sọ pé mo jí gold. Lagos State ló yẹ kó fi court sílẹ̀ àti station láti ṣiṣẹ́ wọn, láti put out òtítọ́. And Lagos State came. Letter from Lagos State saying they should withdraw, they should stop everything. When they make that move, we wrote series of letters to them. We send the videos and flash drive to Lagos State. That this is what happened. We don't want the judgment for anything, but to clear my name. And for Nigerians in diaspora to know the truth. We wrote series of letters. And they said no. The case should be struck out from the court. So if you look at it now, Lagos State do more harms to me than Gistlover. Gistlover had said I stole gold. I did reverse transfer. Gistlover had said that. TVC said the stolen gold was found on me. And Lagos State now cover the story, saying they should not investigate the case further. What is the interest of Lagos State? Kò ní ìdá ká wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ Lagos State in future pé ṣé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ lè protect citizen yín. Kò ní ìdá ká wá máa sọ lọ́jọ́ kejì pé àbí lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la pé kí ni interest Lagos State àti Gistlover àti TVC. Àti Gistlover o àti gbogbo ọmọ tó tara ẹ̀ jáde o àtàwọn tó bá lọ́wọ́ nínú kéèsì yìí o àtàwọn tó ń gbèjà àtàwọn tó ń gbèjà wọn gbogbo wọn ò ní rọ́mọ sí wọn o wọn á kú bájá ṣe ń kú tòun tòlùgbòrò lọ́rùn ni ọmọ aráyé ò ní kí wọn kú ewu ọmọ o ọmọ aráyé ò dẹ̀ ní kí wọn kú oríire o ẹ gbọ́ mi nǹkan tí mò ń sọ. Ó máa le díẹ̀ o. Ó máa le díẹ̀. Ìfẹ́ Olúwa 443 whatever. Àdàbí wo ló gbé wá ẹ máa gbọ́ o. Bó ṣe máa ń kúkú ẹ̀sìn rẹ̀ ẹ máa gbọ́ o. Ó ní ìran gúnugún kì í kádé. Olórí burúkú ni ẹ àdàbí ni kó lọ gbé wá. Ìwọ tó ti kú fọ́tayọ̀. Bólé oní gold ni mí. Bólé oní gold kọ́ ni mí. Ṣebí 91,000 naira gold ṣá mojí. Mi ṣá fail as an actress. Mi dẹ̀ fail as business tycoon. Mo dẹ̀ ń ṣe dáadáa. Ṣebí 91 èèyàn kan lé meme fi elele. Tó jí tírílíọ̀nù. Nǹkan kan ò ṣẹlẹ̀. Ìṣẹ̀dá tó wà lábẹ́ Ìfẹ́ Olúwa 444 3D. Ó ti kú bájá ṣe ń kú tòun tòlùgbòrò lọ́rùn. Ó ti ṣòfò ẹ̀mí. Ó ti dẹ́rùn ògún tọmọtọmọ ẹ. Tìran ẹ. Ó dewúrẹ́ jẹlẹ́jẹlẹ́, ó dàgùn tán jẹmọ̀jẹmọ̀, ó dà láàmú tó ń jẹlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ògiri. Bájá ẹ bá lógún ọdún láyé ẹran ògún ni. Ògún ò ní pa tiẹ̀ láàbọ̀. Ìpakúpa lògún máa pa ẹ́. Ó gbọ́ mi, àwọn tó ní ilé ayé wọ́n á fẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣètùtù fún ìlọsíwájú tèmi. Àwọn tó ní ilé ayé wọ́n á fi ẹ̀mí ẹ àtẹ̀mí àwọn ọmọ ẹ ṣètùtù fún ìgbéga tèmi àtàwọn ọmọ mi. Àdàbí lèmi gbé wá, àdàbí tí ń bá ṣẹ̀ ẹ́, àdàbí tí ń bá mú ẹ rí, àdàbí tí ń bá jí góòlù, àdàbí tí ń bá jí 91,000 naira, àdàbí tí ń bá ṣe reverse transfer, àdàbí jẹ́ òjè pé ni. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ọjà lẹ́nu jù ẹ lọ Ìfẹ́ Olúwa wọ́n tẹ́ sí ni, àwọn ará ọjà Tom Jones wọ́n lẹ́nu jù ẹ lọ. Kódà ńgbà tá ń lọ sí court wọn ò mọ̀ pọ́wọ́ máa tètè bá àwọn ńgbà tá ń lọ kóòtù ibi ìbáyìí ni ṣódà wọn wà àwọn ará Tom Jones ńgbà tá ń lọ kóòtù ṣé ẹ rí kí n wá update pa ń lọ kóòtù ibi ìbáyìí ni ṣódà wọn wà. Ó rí pé gbogbo ohun tó pa wọ́n lẹ́rìn gbogbo àjogúnbá wọn ó dìtàn láàrin ìṣẹ́jú kan. So àdàbí làwa gbé àwọn òṣè pé anybody lè ṣe pé fún anybody àdàbí lèmi gbé wá. Èmi ń sọ fún APC lẹ́ǹsìn torí ìjọ tí n bá máa gbé àdàbí wá fún wọn inú ẹgbẹ́ APC. Ìfẹ́ Olúwa ṣé mo mọ̀ ẹ́ rí ṣé mo pè é sí péjì mi àdàbí tí n bá invite ẹ sí péjì mi tí n bá ti invite ẹ sí péjì mi bí kó o bí gba ọmọ ọwọ́ ẹ méjèèjì ló máa fi sin gbogbo wọn. Mo invite ẹ síbí ṣé mo invite ẹ síbí wọ́n máa mú bàtà àti bàtà àwọn ọmọ ẹ pàdé ẹ mọ́ṣúárì ni àdàbí tí n bá invite ẹ síbí. Ebi wọn náà sọ pé mo jalè àdàbí tí n bá jalè àmọ́ tí n bá ti jí góòlù ní Dùmàtà kó o bí gba ọmọ ọwọ́ ẹ báyìí ló máa fi sin gbogbo wọn. Ó dẹ̀ di ègún lórí ẹ àti gbogbo ọmọ tó bá tara ẹ jáde àdàbí tí n bá ti jí góòlù ní Dùmàtà àmọ́ tí n bá ti jí góòlù ní Dùmàtà kó o bí gba ọmọ ọwọ́ ẹ báyìí ló máa fi sin gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹ. Àdàbí jà ò jẹ́ pé a pè fún àwọn kan lánàá wọ́n rò pé à ń ṣeré ni a pè fún wọn, wọ́n rò pé à ń ṣeré ni. Dorcas Daleni èèyàn ti kú sí lọ́rùn, ó ti ní murder case. Esabod Daleni ó ti kú, ó ti dewúrẹ́ jẹ́lẹ́jẹ́lẹ́. Gistlover Daleni, Gistlover ti dàgùntàn jẹmọ̀jẹmọ̀. Àdàbíjà ó jèpè ni. Ṣé mo pè ẹ́ síbí? Ṣé mi mo kọ́kọ́ wá bá ẹ? Ṣé mo mọ̀ ẹ́ rí? Ṣé mo rí ẹ rí? Mo ń béèrè lọ́wọ́, ṣé mo rí ẹ rí? Ìhòhò làkàrà ń di tiẹ̀ wọnú ọjà. Ó gbọ́ mi. Ìhòhò bímbí ní wòrìwò ló máa já sọ́jà tí mọ́tò apá ìdànù tọmọtọmọ ẹ̀. Àdàbíjà ò jèpè. Ogun tó jà àwọn ará Tom Jones kó fi ilé ẹ ṣe bùgbé látẹ̀ni lọ tó abẹ̀lẹ̀ ìṣù. Tó abẹ̀lẹ̀ ìṣù. Ó gbọ́ mi. Àdàbí tó bá yẹ pé mo rí gold ń dùmátà, àdàbí tí gold bá wà lára mi débẹ̀, àdàbí tán bá ń ta gold ní Tom Jones àti wọ́ o àti Títílayọ̀ TVC kẹ́ ẹ bí gba ọmọ ọwọ́ yín lè máa fi sin gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yẹn pátá láìkẹ́ ẹyọ kan ṣoṣo. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ bá wọn lọ́wọ́ sínú ọjà Tom Jones yẹn, àdàbí tí ń bá ṣe fake transfer, àdàbí tí ń bá ṣe reverse transfer, àdàbí tí ń bá jí góòlù àbí tí ń bá rí góòlù àbí tán bá ń ta góòlù bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ bí gba ọmọ ọwọ́ yín lè máa fi sin gbogbo ọmọ yín. Ọmọ aráyé ò ní kí yín kú oríire láyé sáàbàdà àdàbí ni abúlórí burúkú nìyá ẹ. O rò pé à ń ṣeré ń bí ni. O mọ nǹkan tójú mi ti rí lórí bíbà tí n bá wá ṣe ṣó èpè fún yín. O mọ ohun tí mo jẹ tẹ́lẹ̀. Lọ bèrè ayé lọ́wọ́ Dorcas. Mo sọ fún Dorcas pé ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ló máa gbà ṣe ẹ̀ ṣe. Mo sọ pé kò ní jèrè ọmọ ìṣọ́mọ ẹ rí láti jọjọ́ yìí. Abó ìyá wèrè. Ìwọ lórí burúkú ọmọ. Ìṣẹ̀dá tó bá lọ́bẹ̀ ìfẹ́ olúwa 443 ED. Látẹ̀ni lọmọ aráyé ò tún kí ẹ kú oríire, ò tún rá láàánú mọ́. Gbogbo aláàánú ẹ ló máa pàdé àgbákò. Gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá ń ṣàánú fún ẹ ló máa pàdé wàhálà. Bí gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó pàdé Dorcas ṣe pàdé àgbákò, gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá ti pàdé ẹ ó máa pàdé àgbákò. Àdàbí tí ń bá jí góòlù o. Ìyálọ́jà general, Mr. Governor, we need thorough investigation. Ó kàn mí, ó ti gbé pé tiẹ̀ náà. Ìyẹn ò kàn wá. Ó yá mo pè ẹ́ wá bí lórí burúkú ọmọ. Ìyálọ́jà general abẹ̀yìn ni o, màmí. Abẹ̀yìn ni o. We need thorough investigation. Ẹ gbàgbé ẹ̀ nínú Tom Jones yẹn. Ẹ gbàgbé ẹ̀. Àfi tí òtítọ́ bá dé orí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì. Tó bá jẹ́ pọ́n pa mí síbẹ̀, kí ni TVC máa sọ á ní mo lọ jalè ni. Ẹ̀yin ò fẹ́ kí n wá, ẹ fẹ́ kí inú àwọn ọmọ mi dùn. Tí ò bá sí pé lórí burúkú Títílayọ̀ ẹ wá wọn mọ̀ ẹ̀. Ṣé mo sọ fún pé ẹ wá wọn mọ̀ tiẹ̀ o. Ṣé mo ṣépè fáwọn ọmọ ẹ rí Títílayọ̀? Mo wá fún business ẹ rí. TVC ṣé mo ṣépè fáwọn ọmọ yín? Ṣé mo blog ọkọ yín? Ṣé mo sọ pé ẹ jalè despite the fact that you work with Gistlover to kill many victims? I'm suing nobody. The justice, this thing is failed. Forget it. I'm suing nobody. Kalo maraya àti tusi. Ẹnu yìí lájọ máa fi ṣe. Orí mi kì í sú àwọn ará Tom Jones. Ṣé rí mi kì í sú ará Tom Jones? Kí ló ń jẹ́ sú dem, sú ta ni? Èmi ò máa ń ṣe English ló kà mà ní mi. Ìwọ they don't need to answer. Ṣáwọn ará Àdúmàtà answer mi. Ṣé àwọn ará Àdúmàtà answer mi? Wọ́n answer mi. Àwọn ará Tom Jones, ṣé wọ́n answer mi? Wọ́n answer mi. Ǹgbà tó dé bá wọn, wọ́n lawọ́ wọn fomi lónìí. Wọ́n lawọ́ wọn fomi lónìí. Ọ̀rọ̀ gold yẹn máa nípọn. APC, I want you to do the needful. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí Gistlover gbé mi gún yín. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí àwọn Yorùbá tó ti gbàbọ̀dé gbé mi gún yín. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán gbé mi gún yín. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí Gistlover gbé mi gún yín. The only thing that can restore peace. Ẹ rí tí macaroni ṣe. Macaroni kan pariwo ni o. You could see the pain lójú bọ̀bọ́ yẹn. Because he was wrongfully arrested then àbí kí ni wọ́n ṣe fún bọ̀bọ̀ Débọ̀ yẹn very nice guy o mo meet ẹ̀ ní event kan kí ni wọ́n ṣe fún gbà yẹn náà APC Débọ̀ kàn ń pariwo ni o èmi ò ní paro analysis la máa gbé wá àti fact and figure. Débọ̀ ó ń pariwo síta ni mo máa jókòó síbí Yasin mo máa jókòó síbí ibi tí mo wà ẹ máa jókòó sí máa dẹ̀ máa ṣe analysis a fẹ́ mọ iye ọdún tí each every one of you ti lò ní house a fẹ́ mọ impact in each every one of you kò ní da ó máa brutal gan Yasin APC kò ní da ẹnu tí mo fi padé gún because ó máa wà justify ẹ lè ní mo jí góòlù náà nínú Èkó Òdùmátà ẹ dẹ̀ káwọ́ gbéra ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ń wò ṣé Lizzy wá kéré nú ayé ni bàbá pínlẹ̀ ní ọmọ Lagos State ní mi tá bá pínlẹ̀ ní tí Nàìjíríà bá pínlẹ̀ ní ọmọ Lagos State tí state bá pínlẹ̀ ní ìlú mi lélẹ́yìí ọmọ ìlú yìí ni mí. ẹ̀yin tẹ́ sọ pé kàn gbé kí ni no jurisdiction kí ni no prosecution ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbé no prosecution wá ṣọ́fẹ́ ni ẹ̀yin náà máa ṣe nítorí nǹkan kan ni torí nǹkan kan lẹ ṣe máa send letter sí court pé no prosecution so torí nǹkan kan lèmi náà ṣe máa wá. ẹ rí pé TVC ò investigate kó tó wá sọ pé the stolen gold was found on me ẹ rí pé kò investigate. And when it comes to analysis, APC ẹ má yẹ kí Gistlover gbé wa gúnra wa. Mo bẹ̀ yín ní gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ní láyé yín tó mí àti tí ò mí. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí Gistlover just won. Ó máa ní kankan. Àbí kò sí kankan tẹ́ ẹ gbà lẹ́yìn. Àbí tẹ́ ẹ gbà lójú ayé. Tẹ́ fi sọ pé non-prosecution. Non-prosecution means what? ẹ lè pè mí ló lè kẹ believe pé máa jẹ́ kó dákẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ power must change of course that means the current power is being biased and we don't want a biased government we don't want it. We don't want it. Ẹ má worry. Ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí mò ń instigate yẹn nǹkan tí mò ń gbé jáde yẹn ó ń dùn wọ́n. If TVC can said the stolen gold was found on her APC kò ní fine Ọlọ́run gbọ́ kò ní dá bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbé mi lọ kóòtù tẹ́ gbọ́ ta mi lọ prison ayé á mọ̀ irú ẹ̀dá tẹ́ jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kà fún mi ayé ẹ kò wẹ̀ sí Gistlover lọ́wọ́ ni because tẹ́ bá smart ọ̀rọ̀ ọjà yẹn ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mójútó smart àwọn tẹ́ ẹ fi sí ipò my amiable governor sir àwọn tẹ́ ẹ fi sí ipò wọ́n ti fail yín báyìí ọ̀rọ̀ ọjà yẹn kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kó pẹ́ even tó bá jẹ́ wípé àjọ máa reach agreement kò yẹ kẹ́ ẹ kọ non prosecution ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé grave APC ni non prosecution máa jẹ́ ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé grave APC ló máa jẹ́ ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé grave APC ni non prosecution máa jẹ́ when there is evidence ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí TVC sọ now TVC sọ wípé the stolen gold was found on her because you Lagos State failed the society failed Nigerians all over the world to let them know how many cases lè máa bury mọ́lẹ̀ how many cases lè máa bury mọ́lẹ̀ lè máa bury mọ́lẹ̀ how many cases Mohbad wà ńbẹ̀ kò tí ì yọrí sí rere don't you know Mohbad case is another case that could ruin APC. People are watching. People are looking at you. At the vulnerable moment you need people most, they will bring the case. Even àwa tá a jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ APC, tá ń gbèjà yín, our hands will be tight. our hands will be tied. The greatest mistake tí APC ṣe láyé is sending non-prosecution to court. That was the greatest mistake APC made. Èmi tẹ́ dẹ̀ kọ non-prosecution sí case mi. Ẹ mọ̀ pé speaker ni mi. Ẹ mọ̀ pé lover of APC ni mi. And not just lover of APC. I work for APC. Not just APC. I love Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and I love him still. But that does not mean that mama wu ẹ̀yin korúkọ tèmi bàjẹ́. It's not going to work. In advanced country, media station will send a representative to investigate the crime scene firsthand. Most of people, nothing works in Nigeria. If TVC could come online and say the gold stolen was found on her, you should know that the country is a goner. I need Minister for Information. Sheba I need Commissioner for Abi. Abi, if TVC could come online and say the gold stolen was found on her, ta ló fẹ́ gbé lọ court. If Lagos State could send letter to court than not prosecution, kí ló dé fẹ́ waste owó ẹ lọ sí court at the station. It sends strong signal. That is giving kind of oppression, like kind of is no. APC shouldn't have allowed that. Tó bá jẹ́ pé lómi tí Mohbad rí pé mo sọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn má kúrò ṣé mo sọ case Mohbad pé wọ́n lè lo against APC àbí mi má sọ. Let's be sincere. Mi family mo Mohbad now. Mi ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ rí. Ṣé mo sọ àbí mi sọ? Let's be realistic here. Mo sọ case Mohbad lè yọ yín lẹ́sẹ̀ lẹ́ o. Mo sọ fún yín because that Mohbad case is something you need to do. Let Nigerians know. Let your world know what is going on. Kí ló pa. Kò take it time. Nígbà tó ń fòkú ẹ̀ pa Bára, Lagos State supposed to come up and stop it. That nobody should use the death of that boy to get any donation. That after thorough investigation, Lagos State will support to bury that boy. That is what APC is supposed to do. But you failed. You failed. And a diburuku leleyi on part of APC. A diburuku edi. Agbako edi. Wọ́n ní igi gogoro má gún mi lójú òkèrè láti ń wò. If you are busy building the country without attending to some little cases. Have you forgotten what happened during EndSARS? They used EndSARS to knock you guys off during election. You lost Lagos State. Even ni Bodilon. Look at what happened at Bodilon. Is that not a slap? And ẹ wọlé election yẹn Ọlọ́run bá yín ṣe ẹ wọlé again. Ẹ dẹ̀yìn. Ẹ mọ̀ pé gbogbo nǹkan tí Gistlover ṣe yìí. Gistlover is like cancer. Àrùn jẹjẹrẹ. If I happens to be the governor, I will never allow any Nigerians or any Lagosians to suffer. If I happens to be the president, I will never allow any injustice for any Nigerians because Momo Wikpe, that will be a very valid point to knock the next election. Even if you are in power, anything can happen. Kí lorúkọ àwọn ìlú tí àwọn army take over recently? Àwọn country tí àwọn army, kí lorúkọ ẹ fún mi láwọn countries táwọn army take over recently? Àwọn ìlú tí àwọn army take over recently. Are you telling me their president, the disposed president, wọn were powerful nígbà kan rí? Are you telling me that the strongest and the ruling party are not strong? They are. Because they ignore little mistakes, or they accumulate. Niger Republic. Are you telling me the disposed president in Niger Republic? Ṣé kò strong ni? Burkina Faso, Niger, Gabon, Guinea-Bissau. Those countries, Mali, those countries, they were being ruled by ruling party. They were being ruled by powerful ruling party. Because they ignore little mistake. Look at how the power just slipped off their hand. Because the disposed president ignore the red signal. They believe they are in power, nothing will happen. And their friends, people they employed, happens to be their enemy. The way TVC workers are the enemy of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. TVC workers are the enemy of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. TVC workers are enemy. Never say never. Never say never in life. Never ever. Even in a company, don't ignore the megad in any company. Don't ignore the little workers. Don't ignore. Burkina Faso, the disposed president, was the strongest ever. Mali, gbogbo àwọn people yìí, they were being disposed because those they put in power, those people working for the president, they are misusing the power and the president ignored. The people the governor put in power, they misuse the power. The governor ignored. How can a Lagos State send a letter to court that non-prosecution? What is the meaning of non-prosecution? What is the meaning? When those people, at least, Oshani Kotoko, Abikosi statement, Bogo statement was taken to right office to know if the case should go to court. And they say, okay, the case should go to court. And Lagos sent a letter that no prosecution. Tó bá ní police case or court case, tó bá mọ àwọn tí ìyà ń jẹ nílùú yìí, tí wọ́n fi ọwọ́ òfin gbá ní ojú ṣeré, you will know this country does not have future. You will know. Ṣé èmi tẹ́ ẹ sọ pé mo jalè l'Ékòó Odùmọ̀tà, pé mo jí gold, and TVC confirmed it that the stolen gold was found on me. Láàrin Èkó, tí Gistlover dé update ní 7 days to ọjọ́ yẹn. And Lagos State are not interested in knowing account wo lówó yẹn lọ. Tí gbé ọmọ account wo owó ẹ lọ. Tí gbé ọmọ yẹn wá. And all you could send to the court is non-prosecution. My case is not, we all know you didn't steal gold. You don't get me. It's not about stealing. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ mi mo jalè, ebe mi náà ni mo jí 91,000. It's not about stealing gold. It's about the connection between Gistlover that posted the story, TVC that claimed that the stolen gold was found on me, and Lagos State that sent court, that sent letter to court that no prosecution. Connect the dots. It is not about me. It is not about me. It is not about me. It's about you. Who is their next target? It is not about me. Lẹ́yìn kéèsì mi ni wọ́n pa ọmọ kan sí university nítorí phone. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn rí nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún mi. Àwọn ọmọ tó pa ọmọ tó wà university yẹn nítorí phone. Kí lorúkọ ọmọ tó wà university yẹn náà? Ọmọ tó pa sí Samuel Ajayi Crowther University.
Akko Alex.
Akko Alex. They killed Akko Alex because of phone. They didn't bother to take Akko Alex to police station. Because those kids saw what they did to me at Oja. Who know tomorrow morning maybe you are the next? Who know maybe your children or your child is the next? It's not about me. The baby no ni mo jale. Kí ló kàn mí? Mo fàyàrọ́ ni ẹ wá kó. How can this lover said that she's coming for so people? Bobrisky is right now in prison. Very Dark Man has gone to prison many times. And me is only God. Even me, I've been to court several times. You don't understand? Look at that guy that came to build hotel. Sí Òṣogbo, tí wọ́n pàdánù. Bọ̀bọ́ kan wá kó hotel sí Òṣogbo, ó wá láti America, wọ́n dẹ̀ pàdánù. Nothing is done on that guy. Ìyàwó àtọmọ ẹ̀ wá gbé òkú ẹ̀ láti Nigeria ó dá padà sí America. We are not talking about Tomsi, we are not talking about defamation here. Don't tell me if a media organization. We are not talking, I am not, the court we've gone so far. Ṣé etí ẹ gbọ́ mi ni pé a ní ti tàwọn ọlọ́jà tó ní mo jalè. Lagos State sent letter that there must not be prosecution. Owó tí màá fi jẹ màá fi gbé TVC lọ kóòtù. Tán tún máa kọ letter láti Lagos State pé no prosecution. You can only go to court when a country functions. You go to court when police have that free hands to work. There are times police really wants to work. Wallahi, police, they want to work. Look at the DPO Adeniji. Tẹ́ bá rí trick tí àwọn Adeniji tó fi gba statement lọ́wọ́ àwọn people yìí. Wọ́n jẹ́wọ́ fún DPO Adeniji. But Lagos State sent a letter that no prosecution. Someone said it was Very Dark Man. Was Very Dark Man and Bobrisky fighting before, or it was when this lover posted for first picture? Is a question. Was Bobrisky and Very Dark Man fighting before, or it was after this lover posted our picture? Was Zazu attacking Very Dark Man, or it was after this lover posted Zazu, myself, Very Dark Man, Bobrisky, and Ara? Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Alele. Okay.
Please get ready because you're going to go all the way. Nobody says you should not mention her name. Nobody says you should.
Mo rántí lady yẹn, ó sọ náà. Ó ní torí pé mo máa ń borí lọ sọ́jà. Ó ní Gistlover ti fún wọn identity mi. Okay. Okay, ó ṣe fún àwọn TVC. Okay, kí ló sọ? Very Dark Man, Zazu, Bobrisky, Ara, Lizzie Anjorin. Everybody was there on their own. It was after Gistlover posted that picture. And she included Zazu too. And if you look at the way Zazu range at times, me if it's a loss of Zazu, I just can do it. You don't understand? The road now. Kúrò. Mo ń gbọ́n bí báyìí, mo ń ṣe show mi. Ta ló wà ńbẹ̀ yẹn, mo ń ṣe show mi báyìí. Ṣadé, let me close that door. Mo ń gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń gbọ́ ń bí báyìí. Let me go and close that door. Oh, then lọ sálẹ̀. Ṣé Bobrisky ṣe ń kiss ni? Ṣé Bobrisky ṣe ń kiss ni? Yóò ṣe ń lo ilé ayé ẹ̀ ni. Who sent the story to Very Dark Man? Who sent the story to Very Dark Man? Bobrisky ṣe ń lo ilé ayé ẹ̀ online. Gistlover posted the picture. She posted the picture. Nǹkan tí àánú APC ń ṣe mí o. Àánú APC ń ṣe mí. Èmi. Ṣebí 91,000 inú mi ti ẹ̀ dùn. Kò pé 1 million. Kò pé 10 million. Kò pé 50 million. Ṣebí 91,000 naira gold ni. Nígbà tó ń ta a gram of gold fairly used was 110. New one was 130, 150. Special one 18 karat, abi? It's okay. Ṣebí 91,000 naira ni. Abi? Kí ló tèmi àti yín ò ṣe béèrè wípé why is Lagos State not investigating the matter? And why are they not posting? Why did everybody kept quiet? tó bá ń treat story video àwọn TVC wọ́n send ẹ̀ sí mi ni video àwọn TVC wọ́n send ẹ̀ sí mi ni wọ́n send ẹ̀ sí mi ni mi ìmọ̀ pọ́n exist gan mi ìmọ̀ pọ́n sì wà láyé mi ìmọ̀ pọ́n sì wà láyé wọ́n send ẹ̀ sí mi ni but question tèmi ń béèrè Gistlover ti upload 7 days to after 7 days wọ́n ní mo jalè ní Dumata abi why did Lagos State write letter to court than non-prosecution? Why did they silent about it? Yóò máa lẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí yóò máa lẹ́yìn àjàntìyẹlẹ. Take them to court. Wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé court yẹn ò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀. When they ask you to take people to court, believe. Wọ́n ti mọ̀ ṣé mo tó ẹ pé o lọ court ò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀ wàá kàn máa gbórúkọ yẹn kiri. Wọ́n á dẹ́kun tó bá mú wọn tó bá sọ pé àwọn tó ní mo jalè ní Dumata non-prosecution. Did you advise me to take anybody to court? I'm putting it to you. Did you advise me? Or would you ever go to court or station? Tó bá mú Lagos State kọ lẹ́tà. Tó bá mú Lagos State kọ lẹ́tà. Sí court pé non-prosecution. I'm putting it to you. Mi ò rọ́wọ́ yín o. Mi ò rí kankan. That was a lie yo. Sada, that was a lie yo. Irọ́ náà ń pa o, wo nǹkan tó ń ṣe rèé. Did you believe that rubbish? See, this is what they did. If Morekun did anything, what is our own business with that? Does that one put food on our table? What is our own business with Morekun? Sada Koila, what is our own business? Do we even see people? What is our business with that one? If Morekun did something, it's none of our business. He doesn't put food on our table. He does not put food on our table. See what they did now. If it is not our setup now, wọ́n mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe, wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé fídíò táwọn ṣe yìí tí n bá fẹ́ react wọ́n á lè sọ wípé nítorí pé wọ́n ṣe nǹkan kan ní pọ́n lọ lòyàn. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ rò pé ẹ̀gbọ́n ìtò ìlọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ò ṣe méèkì ẹ̀. You cannot connect the dots. See, okay, Morekun lòyàn. Kí ló ní ṣe pẹ̀lú allegation yìí máa gbọ́ ìwọ náà máa gbọ́ fetí ara ẹ̀ gbọ́ fetí ara ẹ̀ gbọ́.
Nollywood actress.
Magbo, what is it?
She's still an influencer. She still apparently sells,
Why did you
jewelry.
say former?
Well, that's what most of the blogs are adding. They're adding formats.
You ever leave
I
the has she?
Well, that's what they're saying online. I video online of a lot of the situation, and apparently there was gold found on her. But the thing is,
there was gold found on her. Kí ni statement yìí ní ṣe pẹ̀lú Morepo lóyàn? Àwọn wo ló bí ẹ̀yin kíní burúkú yìí? Lizzy tí ò rí ti yín rò tó ra ń tajà ẹ̀. Èmi tí mo yá ń ṣayé mi ò rí yín. Mo fi kábà búra mi ò rí nǹkankan. It was this video. Wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Ìwọ tó bá wà láyé tó lè connect dot pẹ̀lú video yìí. O lè make ẹ o. Èpè pa yóò lè kí ẹ kó de tó rò lọ́pọlọ. Ọ̀dọ̀ ọpọlọ wo ló fẹ́ fi jẹ́yàn? What does somebody do èèyàn kan somebody do èèyàn kan got to do with this? This is an allegation. This is a set up allegation. That was the why Morepo did what she did. Because they already do this. So that àwọn ayé lè bá sọ pé nítorí Morepo ni mo ṣe ń pariwo. Ohun rẹ̀ now set up. Bí Gistlover ṣe operate nìyẹn. See now, Magbo.
who's to say if it is the gold she tried to purchase that was on her?
Who is to say if it was the gold she was trying to purchase was found? She did. TVC established the fact that there was a gold on me. Why did Lagos State write letter to court that non-prosecution? Why did TVC confirm that the stolen gold was found on me? What has this allegation got to do with Morepo, Olonyo, Abiko Lonyo? Let's be realistic. If a media house came online and say, oh, Abiba Oji Gold, Abiba Owan Lomi, kí ni connection yẹn? A ṣe ń padà sórí Gistlover náà ni. It was all set up. Is it possible? Àwa ò rí èèyàn mi rí nǹkankan, mi mọ̀ nǹkankan. If you know how busy I am behind the close-up, I am reacting based on this video. 1, to expose Gistlover. 2, to tell APC that Arabatura Modo ń gbá rere lọ. If I did not speak about this TVC and letter from Lagos State did more damaging than Gistlover. TVC, they have address. Lagos State, they have address. Gistlover does not have address. That is why you don't follow trend on social media. You may not make it because they will destroy your brain. It was Gistlover that said, I stole gold, Abi. Now, TVC is now confirming it to the world. A TV station that did not carry camera to a Kodumata. If TVC has taken their camera to a Kodumata to video the place, and if truly she confirmed they sell gold there, even interview the guy. If the guy can confirm that, it was my gold though, she came to buy it and she stole it. TVC is a TV station, not blogger. For TVC to have done this, they work with Gistlover to kill victims. Gistlover was doing the right thing, while TVC is doing the visual. And what can make Lagos State to write to court? No prosecution. Hey, the rule. I want to know no prosecution. Are they governor's friend or governor's enemy? I want to call non-prosecution. Are they Tinubu's friend or Tinubu's enemy? Let's think about it. Because a friend to a governor, a successful minded APC member will never write non-prosecution when you know this case has to do with a celebrity, and not just celebrity, very, very important personality in Lagos, and a Lagosian by blood. No friend of governor or friend of Tinubu will ever write non-prosecution. Instead, they may call both parties, but they must put it out to clear the story for the whole world, especially people in diasporas. So this is what happened at Idumata. This is supposed to be in paper. Did you see me granting interview? No. Because Momo got him. The one they took to court, they said non-prosecution. You are now saying I should take, who should I take to court? Who should I take to court? What are you saying? I am just reminding APC that in this scenario, is Gistlover helping you or destroying you in advance? Is TVC station helping your government or destroying your government? What's the got me so? Is TVC helping your government or destroying your government? Is Gistlover helping your government or destroying your government? After this show, I'm going to ayọ̀ in future with APC. But I love my president, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and I love him still. Nothing is going to change that. And I love my governor too. And I'm ready to work with them. And I will continue to work with all of them. I will continue to work for the betterment of this great country. But guess what? A government that failed in giving justice can never do anything better. That's all I know. I have a bankable father that I trust so much that will never fail me. If APC, like they fail me at federal level, the way you failed me at state level, Baba Labule will never fail me. They will never fail me. And I want you to know, that what CVC did and what they did at that Idumata, béèrè tí àsìkò bá tó tá máa gbé wá tá máa jókòó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ní non-prosecution at vulnerable moment mi tẹ́ni non-prosecution at my vulnerable moment tẹ́ni non-prosecution at my vulnerable moment Ọlọ́run á fún mi ní ẹ̀mí gígùn àlàáfíà ipá àti agbára láti sọ yín padà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwà yín sí mi. TVC, like I said, anybody that bring issue of court or station in this matter between me and TVC will be regarded as oppressor and a killer. Because Jeje mi ni mo jókòó. And don't forget to tell your children all over the world that despite the circumstances of the market issue, Lagos State wrote non-prosecution. And if I may say, what is the meaning of non-prosecution for that kind of crime? Ẹ rí pé mi náà comply pẹ̀lú yín, mo kọ withdrawal. Ṣé ẹ rí pé mo kọ withdrawal? Mo kọ withdrawal. Ẹ rí pé mo kọ withdrawal? Àbí mi kọ withdrawal? Mo kọ withdrawal. Mo dẹ̀ lọ relax. Torí àkọ́dá oró ní dàbí àdàgbẹ̀yìn. Àkọ́dá oró ní dàbí àdàgbẹ̀yìn. Àdàgbẹ̀yìn ó máa brutal. This is not a threat, but a fact. This is a fact. The economy is so hard and harsh than paying someone like me back. Someone like me that I've never destroyed anything. I have influenced millions of Nigerians all over the world. I have added value to Lagos State, to Nigeria, to Africa. I have added value. And this is all you could pay me back. APC, This is all you could pay me back with. My name. Èmi lè send no prosecutions. TVC, ṣebí èmi ni mo jalè when the gold was found on me. Tọ́wọ́ TVC bá mọ̀, if TVC is not working with Gistlover, kí ló dé tí TVC wọn ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ nípa fídíò yìí? Kí ló dé tán ṣe ń fi fídíò yìí hang nǹkan mi pé nítorí mo rẹ́pọ̀n lóòyàn kan kìíní, kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú yẹn yẹn? For those of you watching me, what has mo rẹ́pọ̀n lóòyàn kan pẹ̀lú fídíò yìí? Báwo ló ṣe ní connections? Èwo nínú yín tí TVC máa ṣe báyìí fún àkọ́bí ẹ̀ àbí fún ìwọ tó máa dákẹ́? You tried for APC back then, I remember. This is all they could pay me back with. I want you to learn from all my shows. Oh. I want you to learn from all my shows. I want you to learn. You see what happened? You see what APC did to Lizzie and Johnny? You see what Gistlover did? You see what TVC did? You all saw everything. I love you guys. We shall see tomorrow. Ẹ rí pé mi gbàṣọ púpọ̀ jáde lẹ́nu. Ẹ mọ̀ tí mi ṣe gbàṣọ púpọ̀ jáde. Ẹ mọ̀ tí mi ṣe gbàṣọ púpọ̀ jáde. Mo wá sọ fún ẹ̀dùn ọkàn mi. Torí tẹ́ bá wá fún Lizzie, ó máa ń dùn mọ́ ni. Tí Lizzie bá wá fún yín, ara máa ń kan yín. APC wá fún Lizzie nísìnyí. Ẹ rí pé mo dákẹ́ láti ọjọ́ yìí ni. Ẹ rí pé mo dákẹ́ ni. Inú mi dẹ̀ dùn. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Nígbà election, it was my money I spent. I did not collect dime from anybody. Àbí mo wà náà tó gbé lọ Abuja. Ṣé bá tó gbé lọ Abuja gan ló campaign against APC. Ṣé dẹ̀ ní tí APC fi sọ mí? Ṣé rí ní tí APC fi sọ mí abẹ́rí? Wọ́n ní kú tó ń kojú gbẹ̀ ni. Òwe ńlá ló ń pa fún ni. Tó bá mú yín send non-prosecution. Ìgbà ó làpò ráìsì ò ní di 1 million naira. Ẹni àmọ̀rí ò bá kú. Ẹ kúkú sí ní issue wa. Ẹ ra petrol, ẹ ra diesel. Ọ̀fẹ́ ni gbogbo ẹ bá dé. Àdẹ gbowó oṣù. Ikú tó ń pojú gbẹ̀ ni. Òwe ńlá ló ń pa fún ni. Ó ti yé wa báyìí. Ó ti yé wa báyìí. Ó ti yé mi báyìí. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé mi ni. Ilẹ̀ kẹta kì í sí di ọmọ ẹni. Tó lọ fi jójó òhòhò. A fi rú ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀sìn gbẹ̀yìn. Èmi lẹ lọ send non-prosecutions. Èmi mà ní Lizzie. London ẹgbẹ́ APC wọ́n ní mo jalè Ndùmàtà. Wọ́n ní mo jí gold. TVC ní the gold was found on me. Èmi Lizzie. Kọ́lọ́ má fi kú pa gbogbo wa. Ìgbà mélòó ni gbogbo ẹ máa fi pé? Ẹ̀yin lójú àwa ti wà nínú system yẹn. A ti ń ràpò ráìsì ní 100,000 already. Ẹ̀yin ló jẹ́ wípé ọjọ́ tẹ́ ẹ bá wá join wa tẹ́ ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, ibi tẹ́ ẹ bá yé jẹ́ dé, ara yín ò ní gbé. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé mi ni. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé mi ni. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé mi ni. Ẹgbẹ́ APC. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yé mi ni. Èmi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ non-prosecution. Èmi ni mo rẹ́pọ̀n ní TVC. Ló ń sọ pé òun rí gold nínú ẹrù mi. Wọ́n rí gold, the gold story was found on me. Èmi Àkànkẹ́. Èmi Yénùkúnmẹ̀. Èmi Lizzie Anjorin fúnra mi. Èmi. So ń tẹ́ ń fẹ́ mi wá ṣe rè. Ń tẹ́ fáyé wá ṣe rè. Wọ́n lẹ́ni tó bá ń gbèjà lù náà máa fi ń ṣètùtù lù. Ó ti yé mi. Nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ láti government office ní Lagos State nìyẹn. Tí wọ́n bá àṣà ní nǹkan tán rí, ẹ mọ̀ bóyá ti rí evidence pé mo jí góòlù tó tọ́ náà ṣe ní no prosecution. Ẹ mọ̀ bóyá ti rí evidence pé mo jí góòlù tó tọ́. Ara táwọn Instagram ṣe rí wọn no wonder ọmọ tó kú sí BRT pàtó ti jẹ́ ọmọ tálíkà ni ẹni àmọ̀rí ò bá kú ọmọ tó kú sí BRT ọmọ tó ń rèpù pa sínú BRT pàtó jẹ́ ọmọ nobody ni APC èmi TVC èmi ni the stolen gold was found on her TVC èmi mi ní kúrò lórí kéèsì olè yìí ebo lèmi ni 91,000 naira mi ní kúrò lórí ẹ mọ reason tẹ bá kúrò lórí ẹ ní mọ̀nà tí Gist Lover bẹ́ẹ̀ gbà yọ ẹ jẹ́ ara dó sórí ọ̀rọ̀ gold yẹn ká máa sọ lọ káàdé máa kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ káàdé máa tajà wa. orí gold yẹn la máa dúró sí o orí gold yẹn báyìí la máa dúró sí tí gbogbo àgbáyé gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní diaspora tó máa fi mọ̀ pé Nàìjíríà ti tán ṣé nàmí ò ní kúrò èmi TVC èmi ni the stolen gold was found on her mo rẹ́pọ̀n fọ́ olórí bíi apẹ́túó mo rẹ́pọ̀n yọ̀ fòbògbàṣíà ìyẹn ẹ̀wọ̀ ìyẹn ẹ̀wọ̀ èmi mama please I need lace ẹ pé office line mi di rí Tosin èmi ò fi wọ́n lẹ̀ fọlọ́hún o èmi bá a ṣe jọ máa ra nípò ara wa rè every day mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ rántí fídíò yìí fún APC àti Lagos State mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ rántí fídíò yìí kẹ́ ẹ rántí fídíò yìí ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé bí Gist Lover ṣe update fún mi èmi TVC èmi ni the stolen gold was found on me èmi.